So starting here on the Learning Theories website, we have constructivism. It states constructivism as a paradigm or worldview posits that learning is an active constructive process. The learner is an information constructor. People actively construct or create their own subjective representations of objective reality. If you scroll down here, you'll get a little more information about it, such as the contributors, as well as some more key concepts if you wanted to come back and learn more about it. Next, we have the cognitive load theory of multimedia learning. And basically, a summary of that is that it's a theory that focuses the load on working memory during instruction. The originator was John Sweller, born in 1946. And if you scroll down, you can learn a little more about it, basically just different types of memory, as well as cognitive load. We have extraneous, intrinsic, and germane. And then if you just scroll down, you'll find some more detail and information about that if you wanted to come to the site. Lastly, we have the cognitive theory of multimedia learning. Here, the summary is a cognitive theory of multimedia learning based on three main assumptions. There are two separate channels, which are auditory and visual, for processing information. There is limited channel capacity, and that learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information. And the originator here was Richard Mayer, born in 1947. And if you scroll down, you can just learn a little more about that. It goes into more detail about auditory and visual, and so on and so forth.